Okay, so next I didn't spoke about ellipse first. Let's mention here only then, right? Um, I'll mention here. So ellipse. Yeah, so ellipse is having a syntax as int x comma int y comma int x. Of course, they're having there have a x radius comma int y radius. Okay, so I'll put it to space right now. Yeah, so example can be. No, wait, here this x and y will come in field ellipse. This is just an ellipse we are drawing. So you know that the x and y radius will be different for the ellipse because it's different from, normally of its circle. So wait, I'll provide this example. You can change the radius and see it of x and y radius. What is x and y radius? Example. Uh, do you want syntax? I just gave an example over here directly. Okay, I'll type you syntax also. Et angle. Yeah. So I hope now it might be clear. Yeah. So what it is? So this is just a syntax of x and y coordinate to be provided. Okay. So can wait. Yeah. So this is the first and second coordinates are the x and y, and the a angle is the starting angle, and e end angle is the, here is a starting angle and this is the end angle. X radius and y radius is to be different. You can provide with different one and practice it so that you will know what I actually am, because it's different from the circle, so that's a radius difference in that. All right, next I just mistaken earlier was fill ellipse. If you want to fill ellipse, that is it's having int x comma int y coordinate, int x radius, which I typed earlier, int y radius. All right, so this is first and second are the x and y coordinate, third is the x radius, fourth is the y radius. Now what actually the fill ellipse does? So first you will draw the ellipse. All right, so wait, I'll tell you about the fill ellipse. Okay, so I hope guys till now you are known to many functions. You should practice it. Okay, so fill ellipse draws an ellipse first and fill it with current drawing color and pattern. Okay, that's you can think it as whatever you mentioned the color number also, it will draw with current drawing color and pattern. Okay, it will fill it. Okay, so next is yeah, I said you once guys that we use stdio header file when there are some functions, like example function like reminder to you guys, I'm specifying your function. You make it a note that it is provided with a which header file. I've already told you, with stdio. Okay, so example, there is string f function a value is okay. So yeah, so what is this? I'll just explain you the function. Example, that is value of this, value is, which is written, the value of this will go to a. Therefore a will be equal to value of whatever it is, because y is that same value. I explain you with the example. Might you have not understood. Spring F example a comma, just specify like as value is example 2. Okay, so 2. So what it does, the value is 2 will go to the A. Therefore, A is equals to value is 2 because Y is 2. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So now we can go to the another one, that is set text style, set line text. There are more little to explain you. I hope you are enjoying, guys, and you are learning it. I mean you are understanding it what I'm telling. Okay, so now is to learn about set line text. Let's learn first about set text style. What it is used to change the text font, text direction, and text size. So it is used to change the way in which the text appear. Using it, we can modify the size of text, change direction of text, and change the font of text. Font argument specifies the font of text. Direction can be horizontal or vertical, whatever you want it. Some also provide it as left and right. Okay, so if I give you example here, I'll specify here. Is it okay? Yeah. Uh, Example, I provide it as, font as small font. Okay, small font plus I said you as there are two direction, vertical and horizontal directory. Okay, so that is this two. So and last is you have to provide a size. So first argument is the end. You wanted syntax. I'll provide it, no worries. Yeah, set text in, you have to first provide font, comma, and then you have to provide a direction. Then you can provide character size. I hope you understand what is character size. Okay.